On June 27, 2025, the Supreme Court decided Mahmoud versus Taylor. This involved Montgomery County, Maryland, for its public schools, adopting a curriculum about sexuality, sexual orientation, gender identity. Some parents objected to this on religious grounds. They said exposing children to this material, especially that portrayed gay, lesbian, and transgender individuals in a favorable light, undermined their religious beliefs. The United States Supreme Court, in a 6-3 decision, ruled in favor of the parents. Justice Samuel Alito wrote the opinion for the court and said, parents are responsible for the religious upbringing of their children, and that the parents have the right, under the First Amendment, to notice and opt their children out of material that's inconsistent with their religious beliefs. Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote the dissent, and she said this is the first time the Supreme Court has ever said that mere exposure to material is an infringement of free exercise of religion. She also said this, quote, will cause chaos in the public schools, as schools will now have to let parents opt their children out of anything they find objectionable. What I think is most notable at Justice Alito's opinion is it doesn't have a limiting principle. It seems to say whenever parents have a religious objection to material, they have the right to notice of it and to opt their children out. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out in the future and whether it causes the chaos that Justice Sotomayor fears.